Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics Academy. In this class, we are going to solve 8.7 and 8.8 from 8th lesson Cbse. Let's enjoy the class. The amplitude of the magnetic field, part of a harmonic electromagnetic wave in vacuum, is 510 Tesla. Okay. So the amplitude of the magnetic field is 510 Tesla. What is the amplitude of electric field? So what is E naught? Okay. So what is the formula relating these two? C equal to E naught by B naught. So the division B naught comes to this as multiplication. So B naught into C equal to E naught. So what is the value of B naught? That is 110. So 110 into C, velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. So 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15. So this 0 goes with the power. So 10 to the power 9. That is the electric field. So what is the unit of electric field? Newton per coulomb. So this is the amplitude of electric field and part of the electromagnetic wave. Okay. Suppose that the electric field amplitude of an electromagnetic wave is 120 Newton per coulomb. So electric field equal to 120 Newton per coulomb. Okay. That its frequency is 50 megahertz. So frequency is 50 megahertz. So 50 into megahertz. So 10 to the power 6 hertz. So up in the oru 0 inge setthu. Up 5 into 10 to the power 7 hertz is the frequency. Find nearly all the terms of electromagnetic waves. So first I am going to calculate the B naught. So C equal to E naught by B naught. First what we are going to calculate? B naught. So the division B naught comes to this as multiplication. So B naught equal to E naught by C. So what is E naught? That is 120 divided by C. So 3 into 10 to the power 8. So 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 40. So 40 into the power plus 8 goes to the numerator as minus 8. When the original 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 is the magnetic field and its unit is Tesla. Okay. So what is the second one? Omega. So what is the formula to calculate omega? So omega equal to 2 pi mu. Okay. So 2 into pi, 3.14 into mu. So what is the frequency? 5 into 10 to the power 7. So 5 into 10 to the power 7. So 2 5s are 10 power 1. Here we are having plus 7 into 3.14. 3.14 into, so 7 plus 1 8. So 10 to the power 8 is the omega. So what is the unit of omega? That is radian by second. Okay. So next we are going to calculate K. So what is the formula to calculate K? K equal to omega by C. Okay. So omega, so 3.14 into 10 to the power 8 divided by C. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8 getting cancelled. So 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So in 1, how many 3? There is no. So nothing. So 0. 14. So nearly 5 3s are 15. So 1.05. So what is the unit of K? That is radian by meter. Radian by meter. Okay. So next we are going to calculate lambda. So how we can calculate lambda? C equal to mu lambda. So multiplication mu comes in this as division. So lambda equal to C by mu. Okay. So what is the value of C? Velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8. Mu. So what is the value of mu? That is 5 into 10 to the power 7. Okay. So 5 into 10 to the power 7. So the plus 7 goes to the numerator as minus 7. So 8 minus 7, 1. So it becomes 3 into 10 by 5. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2 3s are 6. So what we calculated? Lambda. So unit of wavelength becomes meter. Okay. Right. Find the expression for E and B. Okay. So what is E? E equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t. Okay. So E naught. So what is the value of E naught? E naught. That is 120. Okay. 120 sine kx. Okay. So what is the value of k? 1.05. So 1.05x minus omega. So what is the value of omega? 3.14. So 3.14 into 10 to the power 8 t. Okay. So this much of electric field. So what is the unit of electric field? Newton per coulomb. Okay. Next, find the expression for magnetic field. So B equal to B naught sine kx minus omega t. Okay. So the value of B naught. So what is the value of B naught? 4 into 10 to the power minus 7. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 7. Sine kx 1.05 x minus 3.14 into 10 to the power 8 t. So this much of magnetic field. The unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts.